Welcome back to the channel, everybody, and today we have auto manual part 4. Let's get started. Alright, and we're getting the brake pedal and gas pedal put in. There's 6 bolts that hold this whole assembly together, 4 on the brake booster, 1 at the top, and then 1 on the gas pedal side. I'll take you guys underneath and show you exactly where those spots are. Alright, and we have underneath the 6 points. So we have 1 here, 1 more here, 1 here, here, and here. And then all the way underneath, up above, we have that one right there. We have the brake booster bolted back up. Throttle cable is running through the firewall, and we're getting ready to put the K-tuned master with Reservoir in the firewall. And we also have the clutch line from the K-tuned and slave cylinder. And then down here is where the Reservoir would go. It's just 2 bolts, and then once you put Reservoir and the master in the wall, the pedal will bolt in on the 2 studs here. Alright, and we have the Reservoir and the clutch line ran underneath through the T-bracket, and then it comes out and it tucks underneath the distributor right here and goes down into the slave. Alright, and we have all 3 pedals in, and the next thing that we have to do is we have to install the harness that I ordered from Fast Grip. Check him out, makes good quality products. It's a 14-pin connector that runs around this way, and it ends up over here, and you'll bolt it up right in here, and then the wire will come off into the clutch, and then 2 wires will go through the firewall so that I can have reverse. You go underneath the fuse panel here, and you're going to go to this relay right here, and this is what it should look like from factory. And you're going to take this 10 mil nut off the stud, and then once you do that, you're going to take the relay off, and you're going to spin it around, put it back on there, and then you're going to grab your relay, and you're going to put it on there like that. And you lose a little bit of threads on the stud, but that's alright. You're going to put the nut back on there, and it's going to sit nice and flush. And then grab your 10 mil socket. The next thing you're going to do is feed a zip tie through the firewall plug, and then you're going to electrical tape the reverse light wires to the zip tie, and then pull it back through the firewall, and you're going to pin them into the harness that goes into the engine, and I'll show you guys that next. Alright, and the reverse wires are going to come up through this loom right here from the firewall, and you're going to run them into the bottom of this clip here. I'm going to show you. We're going to take this one off. Alright, and once you get the clip undone, you're going to go on this side, and you're going to remove that white insert. Use the pick and just kind of get it in there. Just kind of give it a pull on a couple different areas, and bang. And I didn't break any of the clips on the back side, so put that aside for now. And you're going to go to the middle one here and the one to the left, and you're just gonna go in, lift up, push back, lift up, push back, it should look something like that. What you're gonna do is you're gonna take the green and yellow coming through the firewall, and you're going to put the green one in the middle, like so. And you're gonna hear it click. Take the yellow one, try to turn this one around for you guys. And you're gonna put it in, just like so. And there's the click. And they're both in. We're going to take the white insert, put the white insert back in, you'll hear it click in, and then plug that back up, down, that's it, and your reverse is done. And if you want, you could take it and black tape it to the rest. I'm just going to leave it like that until I figure out what I want to do with what's going on up here, cover all that up. We're going to remove the 10 mil here, and we're going to run the ground right there. It's a perfect location. So it should look something like this with the ground here, the clutch interlock relay here, and the switch and plug going up. Alright, and now we have everything hooked up. The reverse lights are ran through the firewall. We're going to find a space back here, and we're going to zip tie them up. This is a good spot underneath, right into the steering column harness. Guys, and everything is put on. All right, here we go. Right now, everything's looking good. The lights in the center are off. I'm going to get a faceplate to cover that up, so I won't have an issue with any of those lights right there going on, and also to kind of make it look good. I'm thinking about matching it to the zigzag as the carpets that I have, the red ones. And every gear feels pretty good. Reverse holds, it feels good, nice and tight. I will have to check in a moment by turning the car off and putting it in reverse just to make sure that the reverse lights are working. So we'll check that out. I am going to try to take it for a test drive today. It is raining, so I really don't want to, but we might just do it anyway. It's been a while. The key is in the on position. We have the car in reverse, and we do have reverse lights. Thank you all for watching. Thank you for all your support. Don't forget to go check out Fast Grip. I'll tag his channel in the description. But until next time, take care. Peace.